Sean Diddy Combs, one of the most influential figures in music and entertainment, now faces a crucial moment: his federal sentencing. After a dramatic trial and a split verdict, the world watches. Will he go to prison? And how long? On July 2, 2025, a jury delivered a mixed verdict in the trial of Sean Diddy Combs. He was acquitted of racketeering, conspiracy, and sex trafficking charges, but found guilty on 2 counts of transportation to engage in prostitution charges under the Mann Act. Those prosecution counts stem from allegations that Combs flew individuals, including former partners, across state lines for paid sexual encounters. He was arrested in September 2024 on a larger set of charges including racketeering, sex trafficking, and prostitution-related offenses. The trial, held in Manhattan's federal court, drew massive public attention. Over the course of several weeks, 34 witnesses testified, and prosecutors presented evidence of forced encounters, blackmail, and abuse in high-pressure parties. In the verdict, the jury found Combs guilty on 2 counts of transporting individuals for prostitution, each count carrying a maximum penalty of 10 years in prison. However, for the most serious felony counts, racketeering and sex trafficking by force, he was acquitted. After the verdict, the judge denied Combs' request for bail, stating that he posed risks and highlighting patterns of alleged violence in the past. As sentencing day approaches, both sides are making their case. Prosecutors are pushing for a sentence of over 11 years, 135 months, citing severity, lack of remorse, and past behavior. In contrast, Diddy's defense team argues for leniency, seeking no more than 14 months, emphasizing rehabilitation, good character evidence, time already served, and that the more serious charges didn't stick. In fact, in a letter ahead of sentencing, Diddy described himself as a reborn man, sober and remorseful, hoping for mercy from the court. If sentenced to the full requested period, he could face decades behind bars, yet many legal analysts believe the guidelines may push towards something between 4 to 7 years. The courtroom atmosphere turned emotional. Diddy's children made an emotional appeal to the judge, describing him as changed and asking for leniency. Meanwhile, Cassie Ventura, his former partner who testified, submitted a statement urging a harsh sentence, citing lasting trauma and fear of retaliation. Public reactions have been polarized. Some see the verdict as a victory for accountability and the Me Too movement. Others argue the acquittals on major counts reflect weaknesses in the prosecution's case. In the entertainment world, the outcome could reshape how stars are held accountable, and conversations about abuse, power, and celebrity will no doubt be amplified. Sentencing is set for October 3, 2025, and until then, the judge will review arguments, letters, and testimony to decide. If Combs receives 11 years or more, it would be one of the most substantial sentences ever in a case involving a music mogul. If the defense prevails, he could be released sooner, particularly given time already served. No matter the outcome, this case will leave a lasting mark on Diddy's legacy, on how celebrity crimes are prosecuted, and on how society views power and accountability in the entertainment industry. That was Flash Trend's breakdown of Diddy's sentencing battle, a moment of reckoning for one of music's biggest names. Let me know, do you think he'll walk free or behind bars? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you want more deep dives on trending stories like this, hit subscribe and ring the bell. See you in the next one.